What's up guys, Biker Dave here. This is the GMC Terrain that was having parasitic draw issues. Meaning it would drain the battery even though nothing was on. And one of our top technicians here at Christian Brothers Automotive in Smyrna, Georgia has seen this before on many GMC models, that the power seat switch was kind of crusty and old, not functioning properly. So to figure that out, he pulled the fuse for the power seat and the parasitic draw was no longer. So if you're having issues like that, you know, and you've tried all kinds of fixes when you got a dying battery for no reason, take a look at power seat switches and or fuses. It's a starting point at least. You know, if you've already struggled with it for, you know, for many weeks, months, years, whatever. That's a possibility. Anyway, check out my channel. I got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, classic cars, Yamaha stuff, Harley Davidson, Dodge Durango, just all kinds of videos, over 2,000 videos on my channel. So check it out, and if our video saved your life or helped you out, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. Feel free to send a small donation. We really appreciate it. Do that for any monetized YouTube channel that helps you out. And that's it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.